In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new business in AppyPie, beginner tutorial. By the end, you'll have a fresh business space set up and a starter app ready to preview, all using AppyPie's beginner-friendly builder. Start by heading to the AppyPie account dashboard in your browser. From the homepage, look for the Builder area. This is where you manage everything you create. Inside Builder, find the Manage option. Clicking Manage opens the section where your organizations, apps, and related assets live. Here, choose Create New Business. Think of a business in AppyPie as your workspace or container. It helps separate projects, team permissions, and branding, so everything tied to this brand stays neatly organized. When you see the prompt to start your business journey online, confirm to proceed. Next, you'll be asked what you want to build. For this walkthrough, select Native Mobile App as the example. This choice is great for iOS and Android experiences and unlocks the mobile previews you'll use later. Then click Create New App to open the guided setup. You'll be prompted to enter your business name. Don't worry, you can change it later. Pick something clear and brand appropriate. It often appears in previews and can help with recognition during testing. Keep it short and easy to read. Once you've typed it in and you're happy with it, continue. Click Next to move into basic customization. Choose the category that best fits what you're building, such as retail, restaurant, education, or services. This helps AppyPie suggest relevant layouts and features so you don't start from a blank canvas. Now pick a color scheme you like. You can change colors later, so feel free to try a palette that matches your brand or a simple neutral set to get moving quickly. After colors, select a light or dark theme. Light is often better for bright, clean interfaces, while dark can look modern and is comfortable in low light conditions. You can experiment here and switch later if needed. You'll then choose which device to test your app on. Pick the phone type you use most so the preview feels familiar. Don't worry, you can switch devices at any time to see how layouts adjust. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts. AppyPie will guide you through refining the layout, adding core features, and previewing your changes in real time. That's it. Your new business is created and your first app is underway. If the interface looks slightly different, it may be due to updates, but the overall flow remains the same. Pause or replay as needed, and you'll be building confidently in no time.